Hello everybody, our name is Emotionary and our tagline is Express with Ease. My name is Neo Regat, I'm the CEO. We also have Henry Brubaker, Levi Wickar, and Ethan Bunnell helping me read off the slides here. Alrighty, the quick pitch here. Emotionary is a tool developed by a group of students from Centaurus High School, being us. We're integrating an artificial intelligence speech-to-text tool with a specially trained predictive AI model to predict the emotions of people with speech disabilities. These predictions will then be used with a text-to-speech system that can express emotion through speech. The AI system will alter the tone with which the text-to-speech reads the user's text inputs based on its estimates of how the user feels in that moment. We intend to enable those with speech disabilities to express tone and emotion. A system like this will increase recognition of the difficulty those with speech disorders face.
The solution. Our project aims to develop an app interface to help people with speech disabilities navigate social situations using artificial intelligence. To achieve this, we will integrate several AI tools into one system to create an effective application. Input would be handled by an open source speech transcription model such as Whisper, and output will be handled by a text to speech model. Language processing can be handled by the API of a large language model, such as ChatGPT. These three parts will be integrated with a model trained with user-given emotion data and transcription data, allowing the AI to learn how different phrases affect the user emotionally. It will be the student's responsibility to train this AI system, develop the app's front end, develop a system to send the AI input from a transcription model to the front end, and develop a method of taking output data from the AI. We will then apply it to an advanced text-to-speech model that can effectively express emotion. We anticipate that this system will improve our community by enhancing the ability of those with speech impediments and disabilities to communicate more effectively with others than they would be capable of without this application. This will help countless people improve their ability to engage socially, helping pave the way for friendships previously unobtainable due to these communication barriers. Several students at Centaurus High School, alongside many more in the district and the world as a whole, will be positively impacted by our project in the coming future. This will improve these individuals' quality of life as well as provide a way for them to improve and expand their social circle, developing deeper relationships with their peers and connecting with their community. This will also help create a more positive change for the stigma and unease surrounding disabilities to help provide a more normal and inclusive lifestyle for people with speech impediments.
Now onto the problem. Many people with speech disabilities struggle to express emotion through text-to-speech. Millions of people around the world are born with physical disabilities or have been inflicted with physical injuries that limit their ability to speak, which severely restricts what services are available to them. For example, according to the National Aphasia Association, at least 2 million people in the United States alone have aphasia, which usually develops suddenly after a stroke or a head injury. Additionally, about 7% of children experience developmental language disorder, which interferes with language understanding and expression. Speech disorders such as these can create educational and professional barriers for those who experience them, and people with speech disorders may have a low self-esteem and may feel socially isolated. With the evolution of artificial intelligence, these individuals with 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 the with the evolution of artificial intelligence, these individuals can find ways to communicate their thoughts and feelings. However, there are limits to the utility of these existing systems, which we aim to surpass.
These are our keys to success. Once we acquire the resources needed to realize our design, we will be able to begin the marketing process. We plan to eventually appeal directly to school districts across the nation, but we would start by reaching out to our school district and then other districts in our state. We should be able to perform most of the product development on our own, since it essentially just involves programming, which we know how to do ourselves. Once we have developed our AI framework, we hope to collaborate with our school's intensive learning center, which we have worked with in the past. If they give their students a chance to provide training data for our product, we can then measure its accuracy and refine our methods. Once we have perfected our system, we intend to officially deploy the product, first locally and then on larger scales as we gain more customers.